Train. Hi, what you doing? Ginny, it's your train. We're going to go on a train. Let's see the train come back in, shall we? It's going to come in the platform here. Look, it's a train. It's a train, Ginny. Yes, I know. Oh, you've got a young pup as well.
How old are yours?
4 months, 5 months.
Oh,
So,
gorgeous.
trying to get them used to the trains.
I know, likewise.
Yeah. So today I'm at the Welshpool Llanfair Light Railway and we've got a steam train operating and we're going to go from Llanfair all the way up the line to Welshpool and then back again, and it's their Halloween sort of event. So the kids are over there and they're going to go and do a treasure hunt and I'm going to film some trains. We've also got the pups with us, so lots of noise. Hang on, where's he? Train! As we head down to Welshpool, let me give you some background information about this line. It was opened in 1903 to serve the farming community of the Banwy Valley. Unlike other Welsh narrow gauge railways that serve the slate industry, this one was purely to serve the farming community, with both goods and passengers being transported through the valley. The route is approximately 8 to 9 miles long and connected the village of Llanfair Caereinion on the valley to the main line at Welshpool. Current route does not actually go through Welshpool itself and connects to the main line anymore, but it did back in the day. Look.
Let's do that.
We're at the back. Hello, doggo.
Doggy.
Oh, it's your tree house. Awesome.
Wait, awesome. There's a tree house. Did you got a tree house in it? Yeah, I can.
Unfortunately, the line closed in 1931 to passenger services, with complete closure to goods traffic in 1956. However, it didn't take long for it to reopen. In 1963, it was reopened as a heritage railway. The services were extended to Sylfaen in 1972, and in 1981 the extension was opened to Welshpool Raven Square. Unfortunately, there is no connection between Raven Square and the main line at Welshpool anymore.
Oh, I can see through that bridge. Oh wow. That's scary. Banwy Bridge. Careful, hold on tight please. So, I'm at the Welshpool Llanfair Light Railway and we have these awesome balcony carriages. I think they're ex-Swiss Railway because I could be wrong. And you can actually stand in them and travel. We want some of these in the vicinity, please, because it'd be awesome to film on, wouldn't it? Yeah. I think we're going uphill because we're chuffing. We're chuffing! Yeah. You can see the bump now, see? Yeah. See the bump? Are you having fun with that, Lily? Lily! Say cheese then. Me and Ginny are on a train. We're on a train, aren't we, Sausage? Yeah.
Window down is
Hello, cows! Hello, cows! These are Welsh cows. Hello, cows!
Oh yeah.
Hello, cows! Oh, yeah! Hello, cows! Oh, I love cows. Safe. O, signal newydd, right.
Yeah, yellow. Not low. Yeah.
Esgwar Gigfran.
Right, come on, let's go. You have to jump.
Where's your hat gone?
After a quick pit stop at Welshpool Raven Square, there is a cafe so you can have a cup of tea. We headed back towards Llanfair Caereinion. I'm not going to talk anymore because the sound of this engine chuffing up the hill is just incredible. Put your sound on.
Stop your squid, please. That's the train we're going to be on.
To recorder? He's just gonna get me eating then.
You are a driver? Firing today.